Are you wondering how Graduate Certificate in Advanced Nursing Qualification compares to the UK education system? In this video, we will guide you through applying for a UK ENIC Statement of Comparability. Start by going to Google and typing ENIC. Click the first result, the official UK ENIC site at www.enic.org.uk. From the menu, hover over Services and select Statement of Comparability. This is the service that will officially recognize your GCAN qualification in the UK. The standard service costs £69.60, includes an e-statement, and takes 15 working days to process. If you want a paper copy, it's £10.50 for UK delivery or £63 for international delivery. If you need it urgently, the fast track service speeds things up. 2 working days, £223.20. 1 working day, £284.40. Both fast track options include the translation waiver and an e-statement with optional track delivery. Click Start Now to begin your application. First, create a UK ENIC account. Enter your title, first and last name exactly as in your GCAN documents, your email, date of birth, and refugee status if applicable. Create a strong password, then click Register. Check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the activation link, then log in using your registered email and password. On your dashboard, click Start Application. Step 1. Read the terms and conditions, scroll down and click Accept. Step 2. Complete the declaration by entering your full name, which creates your digital signature, then click Accept. Next, choose your service type, Standard or Fast Track. Remember, once you pay, there are no refunds. The fee is for the evaluation, not for issuing a certificate. For this walkthrough, we'll select the Standard 15 Working Day Service. Now fill in your nationality. For GCAN graduates applying for work or nursing registration in the UK, choose Professional Registration or Employment as your reason for application. Enter your field of interest, for example, nursing. Select your intended location of work or study. Here, we'll choose England. Answer 2 quick questions. Are you a registered refugee or asylum seeker? No. Is your current name different from your qualification documents? No. Click Save and Continue. Enter your phone number, home address, postcode, and country. Double-check the details before clicking Save and Continue. Now it's time to upload your qualification documents. For GCAN, you'll need your GCAN transcript, your GCAN final certificate, your passport. Click Add Qualification, then for each file, click Browse. Select the file from your device and upload. Once all documents are uploaded, click Save and Continue. Review your application summary to make sure all details are correct. Click Make Card Payment and enter your card details on the secure page. Once payment is complete, you'll get confirmation on your ENIC portal and via email. And that's it! You've successfully applied for your UK ENIC Statement of Comparability for your GCAN qualification.